Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook delicious gravy steaks. First, choose a steak cut about 1 inch thick for even cooking. Pat your steaks completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for a good sear. Then, season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like canola or grapeseed, in a heavy-bottomed skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. This initial sear locks in the juices and builds a flavorful crust. Once your steaks are beautifully seared, remove them from the pan and set aside. Now, it's time to build that incredible gravy base. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the same skillet, letting it melt. Then, add 1 cup of sliced mushrooms and half a cup of chopped onions, sautéing them until they are tender and fragrant. Stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic for about 30 seconds, being careful not to burn it. Finally, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour over the vegetables, stirring to coat. With the flour incorporated, we'll now create the liquid base for our gravy. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of rich beef broth, ensuring there are no lumps and the mixture is smooth. Next, add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. This secret ingredient adds a wonderful depth of umami flavor. Bring the gravy to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. As it simmers, it will naturally thicken to a perfect consistency. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Now for the grand finale. Carefully return your seared steaks to the simmering gravy, nestling them in the rich sauce. Allow them to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until they reach your desired level of doneness. The steaks will absorb even more flavor from the gravy during this time. Once ready, transfer the steaks to plates and generously spoon that incredible, flavorful gravy over each one. For a final touch, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley. Enjoy your perfectly cooked gravy steaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.